Are you struggling to write compelling real estate listings or descriptions? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use AI for real estate listings and descriptions, making your property listings stand out and saving you time. Let's dive straight into it. If you've ever written a listing, you know how tough it can be to make each property sound unique. The trick to making your listings more engaging is using AI to generate detailed, creative descriptions that really highlight the property's features in a way that catches the eye. First, you'll want to start by gathering the core information about the property: the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, amenities, location details, and any unique features. AI works best when it has this key data to work with, so make sure to have that handy. For example, you can input details like 3-bedroom house with a pool in a gated community, and the AI will handle the rest, crafting an enticing description based on this information. Next, let's talk about tone. The beauty of AI is that you can customize the tone to fit your target market. You can choose from a casual, welcoming tone or something more professional, depending on whether you're targeting first-time buyers or luxury home seekers. This can make a huge difference in how the listing feels and how buyers respond. In our software, you can select different writing styles that align perfectly with the brand or audience you're going for. Once the AI has crafted the initial description, it's important to tweak it for SEO. This is where a lot of people miss the mark. By adding keywords like luxury homes in city or spacious 3-bedroom house with a garden, you'll improve the visibility of your listing on search engines. The right AI software will suggest keywords to help you optimize your listings and descriptions for searchability. Now you might be wondering which AI tool to use for this. I've tried several of the most popular software options out there, and the one I recommend works seamlessly to create professional, polished listings. And the best part? I've got an exclusive free trial for you if you want to follow along with the tutorial. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. You'll find the link in the description below. Before we wrap up, let me remind you of the key takeaway from today's video. AI can massively streamline the process of writing real estate listings by helping you create engaging, optimized, and personalized descriptions in minutes. The software we use today can transform a simple list of property features into a fully fleshed out description with just a few clicks. In review, here's what you learn. Gather your property details, choose the right tone for your audience, optimize your description for SEO, and choose an AI tool that can handle all of that in one place. Lastly, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to try out this AI for yourself. It's available for a limited time, and you'll get a head start on creating great listings quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.